Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are checking out an asset package in the Unity Asset Store called Free Forge Pack. Now, this one I think should always be free, considering it is actually called Free Forge Pack. And as of recording this, it is indeed free, but prices are subject to change all the time on the Asset Store. Now, this one comes with a good old little scene, and the scene is just basic as you would expect, because realistically all we're expecting from this is just those little forge items, and in all fairness the quality is actually rather nice. In the game view, perfect. I really can't fault these considering the free. They look really detailed, they look really nice, and they do look absolutely usable in any game that you would expect to see it, whether it's, kind of like a Skyrim clone, or whether you just want them inside some kind of tavern somewhere or anything like that, or you're just creating a kind of a blacksmith environment. It's actually very nice. They're well designed and very handy. Now, quantity wise, you get exactly what you see. So in there, we've got our prefabs, we've got the meshes, we've got the materials for them, even animation for some reason, the rotation. Did they rotate? They do indeed rotate. So that's kind of, I'm going to class that as an extra, just because. So obviously we've got the textures, and this is where the customizability changes, because we can customize these a little bit more than what they currently are set at. So if we take this, for example, and we go to the, the pliers, or should we go with the sledge? Let's go with the sledgehammer. Let's go to the material, and let's change the normal map from the standard to a grayscale, and let's click apply, and we can see how gritty it becomes now. So we could take that and we can change it to, an albedo alpha, make it darker, I guess. So you could always change how it visually looks. There's no set way of how you want things to look. You do it how you want it to look. It's your game at the end of the day. But as they are standard, I think they are really nice. The quality is nice. Easy to use, real easy to use. I mean, look how simple. It's just an object that's texture, got material on, real easy to use. Price, as we said, was free. Can't knock it, free's good. Size is a little under 25 megabytes, which I'd say is fairly decent considering what you get. So, 25 meg, perfect. I do like the way it says here, all assets are AAA category and ready to be used for VR, PC and consoles. And do you know what? I do kind of agree with that. It is a nice asset. Extras, like I said, the animation, if you really want to count that as an extra. Usefulness, very useful. Again, this could actually be quite useful on almost anything. You may not necessarily be creating a style of game where you would require these type of assets, but you could find something. For example, this sword. You might not be creating that style of game at all, but that sword might be handy as an actual weapon. So the model would be useful for you one way or another. So I think it has multiple uses. It's always good to see a neat layout in folders. Makes things very, very easy to find as well. So as you guys know, I don't rate assets. I either recommend them or not. And yeah, I recommend this. I think it's a great asset pack. And if anything, it's useful for a weapons pack as well, because we've got the swords, shield, and how do you pronounce that? Halberd? Either way, it's great. You can even use the hammer, I guess. So I think it has multiple uses. So yes, I would absolutely recommend this to anyone who's looking for something extra for the game, a little something extra to fit in. Check it out. I've left the link to this asset in the description below as well. So guys, have you used the asset? And if you have, let me know what you think of it. If you've got an asset in the asset store, let me know as well, because I'd love to take a look. And don't forget, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well to stay up to date with everything I have on video development on my channel. Guys, thank you very much for watching.